Emily, tell me a little bit about Gears Grub that's going on here at the West Erie Plaza.
We started Gears Grub about 3 years ago. This is our third year. In response to providing a place for local food vendors to be set up during one of Erie's biggest tourist weekends of the year. It's kind of evolved over the years to even more food vendors. This year we have 15, and now we have all local entertainment, local food, local art, and local businesses supporting the event.
It's Monday about lunchtime. How's the response been? How's the crowd been so far?
It's Friday about lunchtime. It has been phenomenal. It's already, we have probably tripled in size from last year, which is so much more than we could have expected or asked for. And every single one of our vendors have had lines and have been super busy. And it's been a really exciting thing to see people coming down and enjoying it together as families or individuals.
And how long do you guys run?
We run through Saturday, 8 p.m. So it was yesterday, today, and Saturday, tomorrow, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.